Hey there, fellow enthusiasts, and a warm welcome back to the vibrant hub of innovation, society's AI media. Today, brace yourselves for an electrifying discussion on the frontier of artificial intelligence and its profound impact on the landscape of work. As AI surges forward with relentless innovation, a looming question echoes through the corridors of industry and imagination alike. Are we on the brink of a seismic shift where robots reign supreme in the realm of employment? But fear not, for we are here to navigate the labyrinth of possibilities that lie ahead. So, grab your mental passports as we embark on a thrilling expedition into the uncharted territories of tomorrow's workforce. AI's impact reverberates through every corner of our modern world, transforming industries with its boundless potential. From the marvel of self-driving cars navigating bustling city streets to the seamless efficiency of automated factories churning out products with precision, the age of artificial intelligence is upon us. Yet, perhaps most astonishing is the sight of AI assistants seamlessly crafting news articles, blurring the line between human ingenuity and machine prowess. But amidst these remarkable advancements lies a shadow of apprehension. The very innovation that propels us forward also casts doubt on the future of traditional employment. Roles once deemed secure, such as the stalwart truck drivers traversing endless highways, or the diligent assembly line workers piecing together our daily necessities, now stand at the precipice of automation. As we marvel at the feats of AI, we must also grapple with the profound implications for the workforce, stirring a dialogue on the delicate balance between progress and preservation. But wait, before we succumb to visions of a dystopian future, let's explore the brighter side of AI's potential. Far from being harbingers of job displacement, AI stands poised as a formidable ally, ready to enhance and amplify our human capabilities. Picture this, a world where doctors wield the power of AI to expedite diagnoses with unparalleled accuracy, ushering in an era of swift medical interventions and improved patient outcomes. Envision architects harnessing the intelligence of AI to weave sustainability seamlessly into their designs, crafting buildings that harmonize with the environment while pushing the boundaries of innovation. Indeed, AI excels where monotony reigns supreme. By shouldering the burden of repetitive tasks, it liberates our minds to soar to new heights of creativity, problem-solving, and perhaps most importantly, human connection, realms where robots falter in comparison to our innate humanity. The landscape of employment is undergoing a metamorphosis, a transformation as inevitable as the tides. Yes, some vocations may fade into obsolescence, but from the ashes of the old, sprout the shoots of the new. Enter the realm of AI specialists, the architects of tomorrow's digital frontier, tasked with constructing and nurturing the intricate ecosystems of AI-driven innovation. Alongside them stand the data analysts, alchemists of information, extracting insights from the vast reservoirs of data AI generates, guiding decision-makers through the labyrinth of possibilities. And let's not forget the vigilant guardians of our digital realm, the cybersecurity experts, whose mission is to fortify the ramparts of our AI-driven systems, ensuring they stand impervious to the ever-looming specter of malicious intent. As we gaze into the horizon of the AI-infused future, a pressing question emerges. Which careers will flourish amidst the ever-shifting sands of technological advancement? Let us embark on a journey through the labyrinth of possibilities, unveiling the realms where human expertise shines brightest in the age of AI. In the hallowed halls of healthcare, a bastion of compassion and care, nurses, therapists, and doctors emerge as unsung heroes, their expertise indispensable in areas where the healing touch of humanity intertwines with the precision of AI-driven diagnostics. Here, empathy reigns supreme, a beacon guiding the way through the complex tapestry of human suffering and triumph. Venture now into the realm of education, where the torchbearers of knowledge wield their influence with wisdom and wit. Teachers, the architects of future generations, stand poised to shape minds and mold futures, their canvas adorned with the hues of engagement and critical thought. In this sanctuary of learning, AI serves not as a replacement, but as a humble aid, enriching the educational experience with its vast reservoirs of knowledge and insight. Behold the realm of customer service, where the symphony of human interaction unfolds in myriad tones and timbres. While chatbots may dance on the periphery, adept at fielding routine inquiries with mechanical precision, it is the human touch that reigns supreme in navigating the labyrinth of complex issues and intricate emotions. Here, empathy is the currency that fosters trust and loyalty, forging bonds that transcend the cold calculus of efficiency. And amidst the swirling mists of creativity, a fertile ground awaits those who dare to dream and dare to create. Designers, artists, and writers emerge as luminaries in the vast expanse of the creative cosmos, their work a testament to the boundless depths of imagination and emotional resonance. In a world inundated with algorithms and automations, it is the human spirit that breathes life into art, infusing it with soul and substance. So, as we chart our course through the ever-shifting tides of progress, let us not lose sight of the irreplaceable essence of humanity that guides us forward. For in the tapestry of our collective journey, it is the intertwining threads of human ingenuity and AI-driven innovation that weave the fabric of tomorrow's world. The key to success in this evolving job market? Adaptability? Here are some tips. Develop lifelong learning skills. Be open to continuous learning and acquiring new skill sets. Focus on uniquely human skills. Communication, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence will always be valuable. Embrace technology. Learn how to work alongside AI and leverage its power to enhance your work. The future of work isn't about humans versus robots. It's about humans and robots working together. AI can be a powerful partner, freeing us to focus on what we do best. Be innovative, compassionate, and uniquely human. What are your thoughts on AI and the job market? Do you see it as a threat or an opportunity? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get a conversation going. Thanks for joining us on Society's AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI insights delivered straight to your feed. Until next time.